Hi friends, have a nice day. Welcome to Pradeep Academy. Friends, in this video, I have discussed detailed information about Nagaland for the purpose of all competitive exam, state or central level. Nagaland is a northeast Indian state and it is one of the seven sisters. At first, we will see what is the location of Nagaland on Google map. Look at the map. Location of Nagaland shown in the picture. It is most of the area covered by forest. Above 80% area covered by forest. Red portion of the map is Nagaland. It is area approximately 16,579 square kilometer. There are 12 districts in Nagaland. Mon is the largest district by area wise in Nagaland. 3 states Manipur, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh touches with the border of Nagaland and a country Myanmar touches with border of Nagaland. Arunachal Pradesh located northeast side of the Nagaland and Assam is north side of Nagaland and Manipur south side of Nagaland. Dimapur is the state capital of Nagaland, but Kohima is the administrative headquarters of Nagaland in Kohima district. Majority peoples of Nagaland belongs to Christianity. About 88.1% people belongs to Christianity as per 2011 census. People of Nagaland are converted Christians. They have own native religion, native culture. There are so many tribes in Nagaland. Most of the land of Nagaland covered by forest. The area of forest in Nagaland is 13,344 square kilometer. 45 square kilometer. It is approximately 80.49% of total area of Nagaland. Soramoti Peak is the highest point of Nagaland. Its elevation is 3,826 meter, shown in the picture. Changlo is a folk dance of Nagaland. These dances are performed for entertainment, celebration such as the arrival of season, birth of a child, a wedding and festivals, and to express joy, particularly those living in the rural areas. Hornbill Festival is a famous festival of Nagaland. It is celebrated on the month of December. It is named after bird Hornbill. Hornbill Festival is held at Naga Heritage Village, Kisama, which is about 12 km from Kohima. All the tribes of Nagaland take part in this festival. The aim of the festival is to revive and protect the rich culture of Nagaland and display its extravaganza and tradition. The festival is named after the hornbill, the globally respected bird, and which is displayed in folklore in most of the state tribes. Except Changlo Festival, Hornbill Festival, there have many other famous festivals like Nagda Festival Hega festival are most important festival in Nagaland. Dried pork is the favorite food most of the Naga peoples. They also like smoked pork in Naga style. Bamboo steamed fish is the famous food in Nagaland. Shown in the picture bamboo steamed fish. Naga people also like roasted intestine. Dimapur is the state capital of Nagaland. It is situated on the bank of river Dohang. It is tributary of Brahmaputra. Sorry, it is not Dohang, it is Dhanshiri. It is tributary of Brahmaputra. Dhanshiri. There are 2.28 million people in Nagaland according to 2011 census. There are 60 seats in Legislative Assembly of Nagaland and allotted 1 Lok Sabha and 1 Rajya Sabha seat for Nagaland. English is the official language of Nagaland. Elder tree is the state tree of Nagaland. Girl is the state animal of Nagaland. Rhododendron is the state flower of Nagaland. Dohang, Diku, Dhanshiri is the famous river in Nagaland. Dohang Hip Dam is the largest dam of Nagaland, situated on the river of Dohang. Phakim Wildlife Sanctuary located in Nagaland. There are major 16 tribes in Nagaland. There are many famous places in Nagaland like Kohima War Cemetery, Mokochang district in Mokochang, and Kasri ruins. Kohima War Cemetery monument is a memorial dedicated to soldiers of the 2nd British Division of the Allied Force who died in the 2nd World War at Kohima, the capital of Nagaland. In April 1944, the soldiers died on the battleground of Garrison Hill in the tennis court area of the Deputy Commissioner's residence. Another famous place in Nagaland is Mokokchung. Mokokchung is a town and a municipality in Mokokchung district in the Indian state of Nagaland. It is the district headquarters as well as the main urban hub of Mokokchung district. This district is famous for mainly Moatshu festival. It is a beautiful city of Nagaland. The Kasri ruins are a set of ruins located in Dimapur, Nagaland, northeast India. Their history dates back the 10th century when they separated during the Kasri civilization. The Kasri ruins in a series of mushroom domed pillars. There are many tribes in Nagaland. They are famous for their native culture. Few tribes are famous for their traditional culture. They are headhunter and cannibalism. Headhunting and cannibalism is a barbarian system. Nowadays they gave it up. They gave it up this system and they are converted Christian. In Indian Constitution, Article 371A has special provision for Naga peoples. Thank you. These are most important GK question for competitive exam. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Jai Hind.